Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. Today we're doing Friday freebie number 46, and I'm giving you different options on it this time. Okay, well there's always lots of options, so use your imagination, right? This time I thought I would show you a couple different things to do with it. So we've got a large envelope and a little strip there that's going to be sort of a closure belly band kind of thing. And then we've got a little notebook cover, a couple of little tags, and I put them close together. You can cut them apart or keep them together. And this one I'm keeping them together, just folding them, right? And we've got 3 sweet little paper dolls, so cute. And we've got a duck and her ducklings and a chicken family. That's best I can figure. Anyways, what we're going to do is, on this, you need a backside print unless you want everything white on the other side. Okay, just saying. Okay. I've got this one is made out just to be an envelope, right? That's what an envelope does, right? You just make an envelope. So I've got my paper dolls stuck on the side. Now this one, I put her on this way and then give her that twist, you know. I did that before on another video, I think, recently. So I've got my little tags. I just, you know, folded them together. Pretty cool. And this is the belly band strip that I just put on there. And it just, you know, it's the closure part. So inside is our little notebook. I just put white paper in this time, just printer paper, you know. And that's... I don't know, it's cute, right? So yeah, just stick that in there, and the little tags in there, and stick your paper dolls on wherever you want them. Remember to think strategically before you do it, because if you want it to be on this side or whatever, make your paper clip go that way, right? Okay, on this one, I cut the hinges off, these. I cut these off on top and bottom and made a little notebook folio thingy, right? So I used the strip belly band to be a belly band, right? And I put my tags in there, little notebook. Now you could add a little pocket in there. I did put some very lightweight fabric on there because I sewed the signature in. So I did that. Stuck a paper doll here, here, and here. How cute, right? I didn't put any chickens or ducks on there, but you know, you can. On this one, I put the duck over here and the chicken family over here. I mean, you know, you can put them, not put them wherever you want to put them. Put them on the notebook. Wherever you want to put them, okay? So today we're going to make the envelope. Like I said, you can cut these off and make it a little fold around, you know, whatever you want to make it, whatever you want to do with it. I'm just going to fold this up. Yep, get my bone folder. Give it a little bit of a press down there. And press this one down, like so. Make sure you're lining up. I'm just a squidge off right there, so I'm going to go ahead and push that in and straighten it out. If you're off, you can always just do that, you know. It's pretty simple and easy to fix. Okay. Then you want to fold these flaps in, yep, like so, and like so. Pretty simple. Then that'll fold up there, and you've got that, and it makes a gusseted pocket envelope, you know, that kind of thing. Okay, so I didn't ink this. I'm going to put trim around it, so, you know, no need to ink. Before I do the putting together, I'm going to go off camera now that I've showed you how to fold it up and put the trim around. And before I fold it up also, I'm going to put this belly band on, but I'm going to put it on with these little brads because they're cute and tiny and all that. Just little teeny weeny ones. And I'm going to use those and some stuff, but we'll get to that in a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, the job is done. I just simply went around it. I started here and ended here. Oops. So that, you know, you don't have an overlap anywhere except for just right there. And that looks fine. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to put this on here. You sort of just put the flap down there and adjust where you need it to be. You want this flap to tuck in under there. So, and this paper does have some lines, so you can kind of go by that. It's the blue line that I'm going to be going by. No, it's not there, but it is there and there. So, we're going to go by that. Let me see. I'm going to do a little bit of inking on this because I'm only going to put the trim on one side. Okay, so we're going to do that first. On the one I just made into a little notebook, I put trim all the way around it. But on this one, I'm just putting it on the one side that things are going to be going, you know, in there. Like so. Just a little bit of extra strength and extra pretty, right? So we've got that. Sorry about the noise. My things get underneath each other, and then they underneath each other, and then they, you know, rattle. Okay, now we've got that. So let me get a pencil, sort of eyeball this, right? I'm gonna put a dot there and there. And that's where I'm gonna put my hole. Now you can use one of these, you can use an awl, whatever you want to use. But I'm going to put this here, right below that blue line, centered-ish, right? And then I'm going to use this doohickey and slide it in there, right at the right place, hopefully. And, well, I said I am. Then poke the hole like so. Just have to hold it still and get it where you can see where that little thing is that's going to poke the hole. If you don't have one of these, an awl works just as well. No worries. Okay. Then we're going to put it on like so. And I'm going to open these prongs up on the inside, and you can kind of see where it's straight or not. You got your holes lined up, right? So now if you don't have these doohickeys, you can always use your just glue it on. It's fine. You don't have to have anything special for that. Okay, but you do want to, if you're using those brads, yeah, put them on, and you're going all the way through with them, then put them on before, you know, before you close the envelope up, okay? And then I'm going to get me a little bit of, this is just painter's tape, masking tape, whatever you want to call that, and I'm just going to put it over those prongs so that nothing catches or gets scratched up by them. You know, you can use washi tape, or it's just, washi tape costs more than masking tape, so I generally will go with masking tape, right? I'm frugal. I know how. Okay, so, well, sometimes. Sometimes I'm like, ooh, that's expensive. You know? So I'm going to just get right on the edge there. Make sure my edges are good. And get a little bit extra glue up through there. And fold that up. Making sure making sure. I'm just doing one side at a time. You can do two if you're all kinds of confident and stuff, but on a video, I think I'm extra cautious because anything that can go wrong will go wrong, and it does. So yeah, I don't play around with it on a video. I got a little glue in there. Okay, now just give that a good roll. It goes together so fast, guys. I mean, really, this is your base. Done. Do the trim, don't do the trim. You don't have to do the trim. I like doing the trim because it gives you extra strength on it. And we've got our little pieces to go in here. This goes on the inside. Now, hopefully everything is fine because, you know, I do measure. That way everything works out for you. If I go through and measure and make sure everything's just exactly right, mostly, hopefully, then everything will work out for you guys, and you don't have to worry about is it going to fit or not, right? So that goes in there, just snug as a little bug in a rug, and then this goes under here, in like that, and that's our closure. You can put your chickens and your ducks wherever you want to put them. I did, I even had extras. That was for my prototype, and it didn't kind of prototype the right way. So anyways, put those wherever you want to put them. You can put them on the notebook, you can put them on the envelope, put them wherever you want to put them. It's a thing. Okay, this little girl's going on this side because that's where her paperclip direction is. Okay, cute, adorable. Okay, then she's going over here. Yep, I thought I remembered those things, you know. Absolutely adorable. We've got paper dolls all over. Now on the middle one, you can put it going either which way. You just have to slide it up in under there. Hopefully we can slide it up in under there, you know. You could stick her on one of those tags. You put her up there and then just give her that little twist. And she's got enough clip to hold. Get her more towards the center, please. Okay, she's got enough clip to hold her on there. So you can do this. You can do this. Whatever you want to do. Let me put these ones back on. I just have to. Sorry, I just have to. Yeah, just get her on here. But yeah, this one's a quick and easy one. And just, I don't know. Adorable, right? Just adorable. I think. Oops, wrong one. I got a lot of paper dolls floating around here. They're lots of fun. And you guys, if you haven't seen the, you should have by now, seen the Farm Time Fun Paper Dolls kit. This goes with that and will be in the journals that I make for that. So just saying. This is that. Definitely this is that. So yeah, that's why it's got chickens and ducks and such and vegetables in her little tray. No, fruits. I don't know what they are. The little bitty foods. Okay, foods. Okay, I gotta go now. I'm getting tired already. It's been a morning. Gosh. Okay, really pretty. Let me show you the freebies again. We've got this really beautiful envelope. I think it's gorgeous. And our little belly band closures doohickey. We've got our notebook. Use copy paper. You can use the line paper that I've given out and we've used in lots of things. Little tags, little paper dolls. So sweet. And your ducks and your chickens. My ducks are not in a row. They were in a row, but I had to take them apart and put them back together differently because it was harder to cut out when they were in a row. And the little bitty tiny ducks, yeah, that's difficult. So anyways, Go ahead and get these made. Have some fun with it. Once you get them cut out, it's so quick and easy to put together. Seriously. So much fun. And so pretty. Who wouldn't want to get something like this as a Happy Mail? Gosh, guys. Okay. I'll hush now. You guys take care. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. TTFN.